I'm all about making decluttering and downsizing super simple. So I have come up with these let it go challenges. They're super specific. They should only take 15 to 30 minutes and you will have decluttered a small area. This week it's beach or pool bags. If you're watching this in the winter and you live in a cold climate, you can skip this one. Otherwise, let's do it. Look at your beach or pool bag or bags and see what has accumulated in them over the last few weeks or over this summer, and start pulling things out and evaluating. Have you accumulated 10 tubes of sunscreen or chapstick because you keep putting it in the bag every time you go, wondering if you have it, so you just toss another bottle in there just in case you don't have it? Pull out the duplicates, put them away, toss the wrappers, toss any old food that was left behind and forgotten. Pull out the empty or full water bottles if you have an excess. Towels, do they need laundering? Any other clothes that need laundering? So that's what you want to look for. Excess stuff that's just been shoved in there and accumulated in the last couple of weeks. So after you've got that done, you're going to give it a good shake. Shake out the sand, shake out the dirt, maybe put it in the laundry and run it through the wash, and then you'll start fresh, putting the things back in that you really need when you go to the pool or to the beach. Here's a bonus tip. If you belong to a pool and you have an ID card, slip it into a luggage tag, one of those clear front tags, and hook it onto your beach bag handle. That way it's going to be very handy. You won't have to dig for it. You'll be able to show it at the entrance. So who knows, after you're done with this short challenge, after 15, 30 minutes, you might be inspired to clear another area. If not, you've got something under your belt. You did it, and that's going to feel awesome. Please share in the comments below if you are going to do this challenge. Type yes and share it with a friend who needs to hear about this challenge. Maybe they're stuck and having trouble getting started. So stay tuned for the next challenge coming at you every week. Thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Annis, the owner of Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. See you next time.